Want this? Get your clips. They add keyframes like me. Now zoom up a little bit at first keyframe. Then zoom down at the second keyframe, like me. Zoom left at second last keyframe. And zoom right at last keyframe. Then add graph ease out 3. Add first 2 and last 2 keyframes. Now add animation combo fall left. Now add effect slanted blur. Make it as small as possible. Adjustments blur equals 100, rotate equals 50. Then copy effect 4 times like me. Now follow what I do. Now add keyframes same like first clip. Zoom up at first KF. Then zoom down at second like me. Then zoom right at second last. Then zoom left at last keyframe. Then add graph ease out 3. Add first 2 and last 2 keyframes. Then add animation combo. Fall bottom left. And then again add slanted blur. Now follow what I do. Now we are done. Like and subscribe if this is helpful for you. And also tell me which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.